My old hometown always felt so pretty, and no one's sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. Despite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always knew from the day we met I will be with you. The first time you said that you love me too, couldn't mess without you. I'm hollowed out, so I packed my things and we moved down south to share a room.